How to reset Apple ID password. Let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you're gonna find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now navigate to the option of sign in and security. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now click on the option of change password. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode. Go ahead and enter it. Now enter new password for your account. Re-enter the password and click on change. With that, your iPhone's password will be reset. Next thing you want to do is click on sign out. You will be prompted to enter your account's password. Now what you need to do is click on the option of get password. You will be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode. In the case you have forgotten the password as well, click on the option forgotten the passcode. Click on continue. Now you'll need to verify your phone number. Type in the phone number that is linked with your account and you'll be receiving verification code in that number. You'll need to type in that code and with that you'll be able to reset the password. So this way you can easily reset your Apple ID password on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.